In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the notifications on Gmail. If you're getting pop-ups about new emails at inconvenient times, this quick method will silence those alerts without affecting your ability to use Gmail. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. With Gmail on the screen, move your eyes to the very top of the window, to the address bar, where you see the website link. On the far left side of that bar, you'll notice a small icon. In most modern browsers, it looks like a padlock. In some cases, it might be an information icon. This icon controls site information and permissions. Click that icon. A small panel will appear with details about the site and the permissions it can use. In this panel, look for the entry labeled Notifications. This is the setting that controls whether Gmail is allowed to show desktop alerts on your computer. If notifications are currently enabled, you'll see something like Allowed On or a toggle in the active position. Click that control and change it to Block, Off, or Don't Allow, depending on your browser's wording. That single change tells your browser to stop showing desktop notifications from Gmail. From now on, you won't get the pop-up banners or sounds for new emails while you're using this browser. Nothing else about your email changes. Messages will still arrive in your inbox and you can check them whenever you want. They simply won't interrupt you with alerts. This setting is saved for this browser on this device, so if you also use Gmail on another computer or in a different browser, you would make the same quick change there to keep things consistent. You might notice slightly different labels depending on the browser you're using, but the idea is the same. Switch the Gmail notifications permission from Allow to Block. Think of it as telling the browser, not Gmail itself, whether it's allowed to grab your attention. If you ever decide you want alerts back, just return to the same icon in the address bar and set notifications to Allow again. It's the exact same place, and it only takes a moment. Also, keep in mind that this affects browser notifications on your computer. If you use the Gmail app on your phone or tablet, those alerts are managed separately in your device's notification settings. And that's it. An easy, reliable way to turn off Gmail notifications so you can focus. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a calmer, distraction-free workflow.